Lockdown, eh?
What do we do?
All right, everybody, stand back. I got this. Never mind.
Well, you only get one chance at a first impression.
What just happened?
Where are we? What is this?
We call it the Luxury Assault Recreational Vehicle.
The car goes vroom, vroom.
Come on it, boys!
I am so happy to see you. You will not believe.
Get back, you fool! Your cheap cologne is obscuring the animal musk!
All my fists.
Poor animals. You should never have left the forest. Now you deal with me.
Kowalski, signal the chimps to meet us at the rendezvous point with the superplane. Hotel Ambassador. Let's move it! There! Huh?
Voila. Giraffe at 12 o'clock.
Guys, we got a tail.
Paparazzi! Pedal to the metal! Private. Don't take any photos, please. Hi, here I am. Don't take
No more pictures!
ETA to rendezvous point.
2 minutes, 37 seconds, sir.
Man your battle station.
Hey, wait! Nobody's at the wheel. Get back there! You're making him on the driver. There's no driver.
Don't just sit there, fancy pants. Grab the wheel.
Are you kidding? I don't drive. I'm a New Yorker.
Move over, Miss Daisy!
What are you doing? Zebras can't drive. Only penguins and people can drive.
What do all these buttons do?
Nice one, Stripes.
Crazy woman gaining.
Our Omega-3 slick will take him down. Private, activate. She's good. Kowalski, intel.
Sir, we have a serious problem. Capitan Chantal Dubois, Monaco Animal Control. Perfect case record.
You're going the wrong way, Marty.
Just call me Mario Andretti!
No, you're Suckio Andretti.
Stop backseat driving!
I'm passenger seat driving and I want the wheel. Give me the wheel.
It's not a wheel, it's my baby!
The hooves aren't meant to be on the wheel.
Hey, it's too late for you to
Don't
drive!
look at me. Don't look at me when we argue. Look at the road.
Cool, be cool. Hi, officer. Is there a problem?
Hi.
Watch out!
We need more power. Time to fire up Kowalski's nuclear reactor.
That's a nuclear reactor?
Nuclear.
She's on the
But
roof!
sir, it's not ready. The control rods will have to be calibrated, and don't even ask me about the uranium-238 blanket.
Okay.
Okay, Marty, you lost her! Maybe you can slow down now!
I can't! There's no brakes!
No. Brakes? A way to commit, soldier.
Let's get out of here!
Hey, where's everybody going? I'm flying! I'm flying! I'm the first flying monkey!
Oh, yay!
That's our ticket out of here!
Yeah, baby! Everybody, on the monkey chain!
Deploy banana gun!
Grab the little guys! Toss them up! Let's go! Go, go, go! Go! Come on, Millman! Woo! Yeah!
Put your backs into it! Double banana overtime! Serpentine! Serpentine! Hey, this lady's really starting to freak me out. Fix it, Maud!
Hold this!
Alex, be careful! She's crazy!
You think, Marty? That's right. Home free, baby! Woo!
Well played, Lion. Game on.